If you think the only reason you aren't wealthy yet is because your salary isn't high enough, you might be looking at the wrong problem. The truth is this: there are tech engineers in Silicon Valley earning $200,000 a year who are quietly going broke. Meanwhile, there are janitors and teachers with modest salaries who have built multi-million-dollar fortunes. So, what's the difference? It's not the paycheck, it's the financial operating system running in their heads. Most of us are operating on a default system, programmed for consumption and living paycheck to paycheck. This video isn't about getting rich quick. This is your guide to uninstalling that outdated system and installing something much more powerful, the Millionaire OS. It consists of 5 core modules, and today, I'm going to show you how to install each one, step by step, to turn any income level into a freedom-building machine. Module 1. The Awareness Dashboard. Most people don't actually have a money problem. They have an awareness problem. Driving without knowing how much gas you have left or how fast you're going is a recipe for disaster. Financial management is the same. I once met a software engineer earning $250,000 a year, yet she lived in constant anxiety because her money simply evaporated. It turned out she was spending $3,000 a month just on dining out and impulsive Amazon purchases. On the other hand, a teacher friend of mine earns only $50,000, but he consistently has $700 left over every single month. The difference isn't the salary, it's the transparency. To install your own dashboard, you need to take the 30-day challenge. Track every single expense, from that $5 latte to the app subscriptions you've long forgotten. Whether you use an app, an Excel sheet, or a simple notebook, the tool doesn't matter, but the data is everything. The goal here isn't to shame yourself, it's to regain control. When you see those financial leaks right in front of you, you'll understand a core principle. Every dollar needs to be assigned a job. If you don't give it a job, it will leave you. Stop being just a passenger, become the captain of your own financial ship. Module 2. The Automatic Growth Engine. Leaving your cash sitting idle in a bank account is basically letting inflation eat away at your future. To build wealth, you need a machine that works 24/7, even while you sleep. That machine is investing, and its fuel is compound interest. Look at the brutal reality of time. If you invest $250 a month starting at age 25, you'll retire with $1.3 million. But if you hesitate and wait until age 35 to start, you'll end up with less than $500,000. That 10-year delay literally cost you nearly $1 million. In finance, time is more valuable than the amount of capital you have. If you're a beginner, forget about picking individual stocks or following complex financial news. Instead, focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the S&P 500, like VOO or SPY. This is how you bet on the growth of the entire economy rather than taking a risk on a single company. The key to the system: automate everything. Set up a recurring transfer from your paycheck to your investment account the moment you get paid. The money should flow into the engine before you even have a chance to see it and spend it. And most importantly, if your employer offers a 401k match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. That is free money. Never leave it on the table. By removing emotion and replacing it with systemic discipline, you're letting the machine run itself and build sustainable wealth for you. Module 3. The Firewall Against Lifestyle Inflation. This is the deadly trap that even high earners fall into: lifestyle inflation. When their income goes up, their first instinct is to upgrade. A flashier car, a more expensive apartment, or more lavish vacations. Their income increases, but their spending increases even faster. The brutal truth is this: we often spend money to look rich just to impress people who don't even care about us. We buy things we don't need with money we don't have to please people we don't like. The philosophy of the firewall is simple: learn to stay broke on purpose. When your income increases, maintain your current standard of living. That entire difference, send it straight into your growth engine from Module 2. Remember this phrase: It's better to act broke now to become truly wealthy later than to act wealthy now and end up truly broke later. Real wealth is quiet. It's not found in the logo on your shirt or the car you drive. It's found in peace of mind and the freedom of choice. When you install this firewall, you break the cycle of working yourself to exhaustion just to maintain a flashy image. You are choosing to build a real fortune instead of an illusion of wealth. Module 4. The Income Accelerator. Saving is the foundation, but to reach the finish line faster, you need more fuel. Here is the reality. You can't save your way to $1 million if your income is too low. But there is another truth that is even more important. The market doesn't pay you for your effort. It pays you for the value you create. If your income has plateaued, it's because the value of your skills has hit a ceiling. A cashier can't earn $100,000 a year, not because they aren't hardworking, but because the problem they solve is too simple and easily replaceable. The formula is definitive. The bigger the problem you solve, the higher your income. To activate this accelerator, commit to at least 1 hour every night, instead of scrolling through social media, to master a high-value skill. Today, 99% of the knowledge you need is available for free on YouTube or through low-cost online courses. Target fields where the market is hungry: sales, digital marketing, data analytics, or AI prompt engineering. Don't learn superficially. Go deep until you become an expert. When the value you bring to the market increases, your income will naturally chase you. The biggest benefit of this step is that you're no longer dependent on a fixed salary. You are turning yourself into an asset capable of generating income from anywhere. You're no longer waiting for opportunities. You're creating them. Module 5. The Ecosystem. For the previous 4 modules to run smoothly, you need a supporting ecosystem. The core law is simple. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you are surrounded by people who do nothing but complain and overspend, you will start to see being broke as normal. But if you surround yourself with people passionate about investing and self-growth, then wealth will become your new normal. What if you don't have those people in your real life yet? Design your own environment. In the digital age, authors and podcast hosts can become your new inner circle. Instead of listening to mindless music on your commute, listen to a finance podcast. Instead of scrolling through social media before bed, read 10 pages from world-class minds like those behind The Psychology of Money or Atomic Habits. Let the mindset of self-made millionaires soak into your subconscious until it becomes second nature. A pro tip to level up: teach what you learn. Sharing your knowledge helps your brain reinforce information 10 times deeper than just reading alone. Once your ecosystem is in place, you are creating a space where success becomes inevitable. Making the right financial decisions will then become as natural as breathing. So, there you have it. The 5 modules of the Millionaire OS. Becoming a millionaire isn't a mathematical miracle. It's a test of discipline and a mindset upgrade. It's not for the lucky, it's for the strategic. Take action right now. Spend exactly 5 minutes after this video ends, take out your phone, open your Notes app, and write down your 5 biggest expenses from the past month. That is your first move to install your dashboard and reclaim control. If you believe that your current salary does not define your future, hit the like and subscribe buttons and share this video with a friend who is also working hard to change their financial life. We grow faster when we grow together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.